All right, how y'all doing today? I hope everybody having a great day. Today is Friday, and I am going to be investing in Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you, y'all can clearly see, I'm putting in $100 into this Bitcoin. And I'm not going to take it out. Like I said, it's going to be every day. I'm going to have an update of, whether I'm having losses, which I hope that I don't have, or whether I'm having gains, which I hope that I do get gains. And it's going to be very interesting. Those of y'all that may be, thinking about investing in Bitcoin, or maybe just for y'all to see that, see if it's working, or see, the possibility of growth in time. So those of y'all that's new, make sure you subscribe so you can join the journey. You know what I'm saying? You can join this journey. You can see, okay, this is even worth me, putting my money in. Like I said, I ain't taking it out. You know what I mean? No matter how low it get, I'm not taking the money out. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm really doing this to really help y'all see, can you take $100 or $1,000 or whatever, can it really grow with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a very popular cryptocurrency. So it's very interesting to me to see, in time, because I know they say whether you're investing in cryptocurrency or stocks, you have to see in time, the longer, the more your account grows. So I guess we're gonna see this together. So those y'all that's new, you want to ride along with the journey, all you gotta do is smash that subscribe button. I'm so thankful for y'all all being a part of the Super Album TV family. I do cash giveaways as well on this channel. I hope that y'all can see this over here. It shows basically, I actually just made a deposit just now, maybe a couple minutes before I upload this video. And if y'all see what I just seen, I mean, I literally was at $100.21, and really in less than 1 second of me making a deposit, my balance was at $99.74. So it's like, it just went from $100.21, and in a split second it dropped. And that can happen in stocks and, in the stock market world and, cryptocurrency world. It go up really fast and it can go down. Your deposit can go down fast. But like I said, I'm really doing this for documentary purposes, so y'all can really see, from experience, someone that's doing this in real time. Maybe this will help you make your decision on whether, you invest in the stocks or invest in the cryptocurrency is the route for you to go. So I hope that y'all see this. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing an update every single day. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoy this, man. Thank y'all for watching. You know what I'm saying? But this is the update for today. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna have an update every single day for y'all. Thank y'all for watching.